last 3D shape we're going to investigate are spheres. A sphere is a three-dimensional ball. Well, it's basically a ball, and the only one thing you need to know about a sphere is its radius. So, I'll just give you the formulas. And the first formula we're going to do is total area. The total area is 4 pi r squared. Notice pi r squared looks like the area of a circle, and it's just 4 times that number. And that works for the sphere. And next class I'll explain why if you're interested. The volume of a sphere is pretty straightforward. It's 4/3 times pi r. Now, if it's volume, it would be 3 dimensions, and so it's cubed. So the total area is 4 pi r squared, and the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. So we'll just do some simple calculations of a sphere with radius of 2. The area, the total area, there's only one kind of area with a sphere, and so that's 4 times pi times 2 squared. So the answer for total area is 16 pi. For volume, it's 4/3 pi, and r for this problem is 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 8, so it would be 32/3 pi. So these are the volume, and this is the total area. Number example 2 asks you to go backwards, so we'll do example 2. The area of a sphere is 256 pi. So 256 pi is equal to the area, and the area is 4 pi r squared. So we divide both sides by 4. We can divide both sides by pi, and we're going to be simply left with 64 over here equals r squared. And so we'd have r equal to 8. That's the radius. This problem wants you to find the volume. Volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. So we plug in r is 8, pi 8 cubed. And if you do that out, you get 2048 pi over 3. Let's set up example 3, and I'd like you to do example 3. Finish example 3 and do example 4. So you're going to finish these tonight. A scoop of ice cream with a diameter of 8 is placed in a cone with diameter of 10. So here's my cone, and this diameter is 10, which would mean the radius of the cone is 5. A scoop of ice cream, so that would go all the way around. Didn't do it very good, but it's going to be a sphere. The diameter of the scoop of ice cream is 8, which means the radius of the scoop is going to have to be 4. Let's see, so the cone has a diameter of 10 and a slant height of 13. If the ice cream melts, is the cone big enough to hold it? So this is an example where we have to find the volume of the cone, which is what we did last class, and find the volume of the ice cream, or the scoop. So remembering the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared times the height. And again, we're going to have to probably find the height of this cone. And the scoop, the volume formula for sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So maybe you can think about how to get those answers, and we'll discuss them in class next time.